So today's topic is we are going to see NCERT 11th standard physics. Topic is what is the technology and what is the scientific principle involved in that technology. So we are going to discuss some different types of technology, and the students can try out, list some another 20 technology and the related principle. So this is assigned as a homework for you. Okay. First, steam engine. Now from Coimbatore to Nilgiris, Mettupalayam to Nilgiris, steam engine is running. I don't know for the moment, current situation, I think they have stopped. So the steam engine works on the laws of thermodynamics. Thermo means heat, dynamics means moving. Even if you use a cooker filled with water, when you try to heat, steam will come out. And if you put a small turbine, that steam will push and starts rotating. Okay? Therefore, we have some mechanical movement. So, the technology scientific principle is laws of thermodynamics is used. Next is nuclear reactor. Here we say control nuclear fission, because if we don't control nuclear fission, it leads into highly dangerous situation. So it should be a controlled, we say controlled, this word is important. See, when we invent something, when the principle should be used correctly. If it is wrongly used, then there will be a big hazardous situation towards the mankind and all other species in this world. So the physics should support the betterment of the living, okay, for all the creatures in this world. So control nuclear fission. So we can generate electricity out of nuclear fission. Okay. Then we have radio and television. Initially we were having only radio. Maxwell has created equation. Hertz proved those equations and they were able to transmit electromagnetic wave. Sound waves were transmitted. Later on, video pictures were transmitted using camera and the CRT. So nowadays we use LED TVs and other LCDs, and the camera is CCD cameras, charge coupled devices cameras. So technology has gone, is going at a fast pace. So in radio and TV, what are the principles? The antenna should radiate the energy. It has to be received by another antenna. So signal is converted from low frequency signal is superimposed in high frequency, which is, we call it as carrier wave. Then we have to decode, process those electromagnetic signal, and finally we must be able to listen to the music as well as we must see the video. So all these technologies comes under generation, propagation and detection of electromagnetic waves. Okay. Then rocket propulsion. Rocket propulsion based on Newton's laws of motion, because the rocket has to go against the gravitational force. So Newton's laws of motion is used. Electric generator, Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. So whenever conductor cuts a magnetic field, an EMF is induced in the conductor. Okay, so using this principle, we are able to construct electric generator. And one more example, photocell, based on photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect means when light is a form of energy, when it tries to hit, say, cathode, once it crosses the work function, electrons are emitted. Emitted means electron starts moving. That means light energy is converted into current. Electron moving means current. That is photoelectric principle. And we call it as photoelectric cell, photocell. So these are some of the very few examples I have taken. The technology and what is the basic scientific principle used in that technology. So I request you to take some 20 technologies, latest technologies, and you should note what is the underlying principle used in those technology. So if you come across computers and all, it all works with the binary logics, ones and zeros. Information are represented with ones and zeros, like this. 1 0. 1 represents plus 5 volts and 0 represents 0 volts. Only 2 levels. But in natural, when we speak and if you use a microphone, the microphone converts the sound waves into electrical waves. Okay, these electrical waves will be in analog format. Okay, and the frequency ranges from 20. The audible frequency ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. So this analog frequency is converted to digital, and we process those digital signals, and finally we convert that into analog, because finally any system has to be viewed in analog format. So these are some of the technology and the underlying principles used. So you have to go through all these things and make out some 20 different technology and search for the basic underlying principle involved in that. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.